How to remove ads from Chai AI. So let's get started. So in order to do that, first, there are many steps. And the first one is to have your premium subscription. So Chai AI likely offers a premium subscription that includes ad-free access. And you can refer to the Chai AI website or the app for the pricing and the subscription details. Now, the second option is on your Android, you can install an ad blocker app. So there are several ad blocker apps that are available on the Google Play Store and your Samsung Galaxy Store, and you can enable the ad blocking and allow access permissions, and you can also configure the settings in order to remove the ads from the Chai AI. And lastly is using Chrome on PC. So by using Chrome on PC, you can also install an ad blocker extension, which is on the Chrome Web Store, which offers free ad blockers. You can enable the extension and add the extension to your browser and enable it, and you can also configure the extension settings. Some extensions offer additional customizations, options to fine-tune ad blocking. And those are basically the ways you can remove ads from Chai AI step by step.